Si Juan Media CB48 Naga Tigers emerged victorious sa katatapos lang na NBTC League South Luzon Championship, securing a coveted spot in the upcoming national finals. Ang pagbabalik at dominance ng mga Tigres sa hardcourt, sportified by Kelly Francisco.
Wasting that clock, Sevillano, completely aware of it, tries to put the pressure. Rualo. Oh my goodness! Reyalo showing up when it matters the most. Lead is now up to 9 big points, 77-68 in favor of Naga.
Sa laban kontra Amando Cope College, nasungkit ng One Media CB48 Naga Tigers ang coveted spot sa National Finals ng National Basketball Training Center League o NBTC ngayong taon. Dinumina ng Tigers ang laro kontra ACC na tumalo sa kanila noong kampyonato ng Bucal Basketball Season 5 sa score na 77-72. Sa 16 teams na nagpasiklaban sa South Luzon qualifiers, 4 lang mula sa South Luzon ang pasok sa finals, kabilang ang St. Jude College ng Cavite, Philippine Christian University at Batang Chaong ng Quezon Province. Para sa mga Tigers, katuparan ito ng kanilang pangarap at bunga ng kanilang pagpupursige sa training at matinding disiplina sa sarili.
Masaya po kasi nakamit po namin yung pangarap namin na makapag-compete pa sa mas matataas na level ng basketball.
Yung mga sakripisyo po na mga sa training po na araw-araw dilubyo na binibigay ni coach.
Bit-bit po namin sa aming team ay disiplina sa sarili at disiplina sa team na magtulong-tulong para sa isang layunin na yun po ay makapasok sa national.
Ikinatuwa rin ito ng coach na si Brian Ayo maging ng mga opisyal ng Naga College Foundation na sina President Mario C. Villanueva at Dr. Nel Baolaso, Vice President for Sports, Culture and the Arts, na kinlala ang kahalagahan ng institusyon na nakapasok sa National Leagues.
Napakahalaga at it's a milestone that for the first time, ang NCF Junior Tigers natin or NCF Cubs nakapasok na sa finals ng NBTC, no? Which will be held in MOA. First time yon, no? Na nakapasok tayo being one of the top 4 sa South Luzon.
National game is very important to us sa Naga College Foundation kasi pag sinabi na national, meaning malalakas yun ang kalaban. Pero nandoon ang Naga College Foundation. Isa yun sa marketing namin sa sports.
Dream come true yung nangyari, kaya overwhelmed kami and blessed na nakapasok kami for National Finals.
Magkakasama ng Tigers sa National Finals ang malalaking kupunan mula UAAP at NCAA. Maging ang 10 NBTC Global Partners mula Amerika, Canada, Europe, Australia at New Zealand.
It's going to be a big struggle dahil ang lalaki ng mga kalaban and most of the players are coming from Manila schools, no? Na talagang well-trained, malalaki, skills is really high. So we will take this as a learning experience.
May expect nila na lalaban kami hanggang dulo. Kahit sino pa kalaban namin, kalaro namin, we will play our very best to represent the school, the community, and the region of Bicol.
Dahil sa inaasahang mabigat na banggaan sa National Finals, may balak baguhin sa strategy si Coach Brian.
Actually, maraming adjustment kaming gagawin kasi nakita na namin yung mga contenders sa National Finals. Kaya sabi ko, yung mga trainings namin, yung mga plays namin, i-adjust namin, magmo-modify pa kami para mas lalo kami maging competitive sa National Finals.
Bukod sa adjustments at puspusang training sa mga susunod na araw, paiiralin din nila ang pusong tigre.
First, sabi ko sa mga bata, respect your opponent, bigay lahat, buhos, every game, importante, kaya dapat manalo. Kaya ginawa namin is yung puso ng tigre talaga pinakita namin, never say die. Every second, nagtatrabaho kami, and di kami sumusuko sa kada laro.
Kinilala rin ng Tigers ang kontribusyon ng kanilang mga taga-suporta sa kanilang panalo at sa mga susunod na laban.
Sobrang nagpasalamat po kami sa support ng school kasi mas nabibigyan po kami ng lakas ng loob at kahit po nasa malayo kami, naramdaman po namin na marami pa rin sumusuporta sa amin.
Napakalaking tulong po sa amin dahil suporta ng school at lalong-lalo na po sa aming napaka-hands-on na si President Engineer Mario C. Villanueva and sa One Media TV48 po dahil nabigyan po kami ng chance para may showcase yung talent namin at makapaglaro sa nationals.
Message ko sa NCF community, keep praying, supporting us kasi medyo mabigat na laban na to sa amin. Lahat na to, mga champion sa iba't ibang regions ng Pilipinas. So, keep praying for us. We will give everything pagdating sa national finals.
May paalala naman sina Sir Mario Villanueva at Dr. Nelba Olaso sa kanilang mga manlalaro.
So to the NCF Cubs, give your best, be on your top shape, learn, but most of all, show the Manila teams and all the other provincial teams. Sa Tiger community, suportahan natin ang ating NCF Tiger Cubs, no? Ang ating Cubs. For the National NBTC this year, may mga foreign teams na kasali rin na hopefully makalaban din natin para masukat din ang mga Bicolano players ay lumalaban, no? Medyo small size tayo pero meron din naman tayong secret weapons, no? Which is our outside shooting and the speed na meron ng ating NCF Cubs, no? Yan ang trademark ng mga Bicolano basketball players. So suportahan natin, panoorin natin sa NBTC Facebook page at let's give them all the support, win or lose. We should show them that we are taking care of our athletes.
Bilog ang bola. Yan ang isa sa pinakamahalagang life lessons na itinuro ng basketball. Matapos ang mga pagsubok na dumaan sa kupunan ng NCF nitong nagdaang buwan, katuwang ang One Media TV48 Naga, the legacy of champions continues and prevails. Ito si Kelly Francisco, and this is Spotify Express.
And Montesa. I'm 15 years old from Bago City and I'm from NCF Volleyball Girls. As an athlete po, first of all, my inspiration is my mother and my sister po na nasa ibang place po ngayon. What motivates me to keep going po is pinasok ko po yung volleyball para po makatulong po sa family ko, para sa pag-college ko po, hindi na po sila masyadong pagastusan yun. Lalo na po yung mother ko na solo parent. I think po yung most difficult moment po is ngayon po, which is yung kinonvert po ako sa ibang position, which is right now medyo may mga struggles pa po. May mga adjustment po kasi po spiker po ako before, then naging libero po. This month lang din po. Gusto ko po talaga makakalaban yung Chocomuch po. Chocomuch. Victory is a big word po. Siyempre pag sinabi natin na victory, ganyan, grabe yung happiness mo po if makamit mo po yung ganyan, yung mga bagay na matagal mo na pong piniprepare, you prepare for that one thing lang po, which if ma-achieve mo po, sobrang happiness po yung una po sa lahat, di po yan mawawala na magsustruggle po tayo sa mga bagong bagay po kasi nga, nag-iba yung position natin. But hindi po natin kalimutan na yung mga pagkakamali po natin is kaya po natin siyang mabago para po maging better po tayo. Para kahit saang position po tayo lang. Nag-aano po kami ng support ninyo po para sa Bucal po, sa mga upcoming games po namin. Tapos para po sa mga team ko na maglalaro po sa other tournaments po, sa Shakey's, sa regional meet po, please support us.
it's a winner-take-all match for the men's division. It's the USI Falcons against the CBSUA Buffaloes. I'm Aljon and we'll be joined by Kelly Francisco.
Magandang hapon, Bicolandia. We are still live here at the NCF Covered Court for the Sunday's game. It's the battle between the CBSUA Buffaloes and the USI Falcons. And it is the last day of the quarterfinals. So magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Well, it's the quarterfinals. Both teams will go get into the wire as they will, battle for their comfortable seat, advancing to the semis.
Yes, Aljan, as we saw nga kahapon, lumaban ang iba't ibang teams for their spots on the semifinals and as well as on their spot after the elimination rounds. Kahapon nga natalo sa elimination round ang Pasakaw Academy versus the NCF as well as ang ACLC between the Bicol University.
So we have two teams advancing the semis. It's the Bicol University and the NCF Tigers. Two teams is also a top-seeded team. Dito na nakikita natin kung sino ang susunod to advance the semifinals. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from CBSUA Buffaloes, let's check in into Kyla.
Good afternoon, Kelly and Aljon, and to all our volleyball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the second day of the quarterfinal round. I am Kyla Casulia, all the way from CBSUA Buffaloes. For their quarterfinal game against the Falcons, the Buffaloes are ready and prepared for this game. A while ago, during my pre-interview to their head coach, Coach Rex, he told me that they doubled their time and effort for the training dahil importante ang matchup na to because this will be the key to the semi-final round. And as the head coach, he continuously reminds the team to lessen their errors and apply all their game plan and system. Will the CBSUA Buffaloes win this game and have the ticket to the semi-final round? Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
That update, yan nga, basically all the coaches talagang gusto nilang ibigay sa mga players na, of course, to lessen the errors, to strengthen the skills and attacks inside the court para at least ma-maximize yung skills and convert a point. And with that, syempre, this is the last day of the quarterfinals, last spot to gain that spot for the semifinals next week. And yun, hopefully this both team makabigay sila ng magandang game today. But right now, let's hear an update on the side of USI Falcons. Chen, just take it away.
Good afternoon, Kelly and Aljon. As they step onto the court for their quarterfinals matchup, the Falcons are committed to giving their best and leaving no rooms for regrets. They are ready to give their all with strong resolve and leave no room for what-ifs. And as Jack Mira said, the Falcons are ready to soar higher than ever. Kaya naman, Bicolandia, are you ready to witness the matchup between the Falcons and the CBSUA Buffaloes? So keep tuning to our One Media TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Soar higher than ever. This is a winner-take-all match. So we'll see if USI Falcons can get a spot advancing to semis.
On that sequence, that spike from the CBSUA, and it's a point for them. And right now, on the service line, jersey number 3 will be serving. Magandang bantay. Ayun, pinalo, but it's an outside hit for La Guardia.
Well, now Rico on the deck to serve. Well, Buffaloes, feeling ang advantage dito ng Buffaloes is that their experience because they played in SQUA against Bicol University, if I'm not mistaken. So makikita natin dito on how their experience going to be an advantage for them. Well, Balani to serve. A poor reception. That's gonna be a free ball.
A little rattling there. Oh, magandang bantay. a point there for the Central Bicol University. Now on the deck to serve, Heliran Jr. A jump serve. No one got it. Point for the CBSUA. Nagkakalituhan pa doon. You know what, Aljon, as what I have observed on the side of the USI Falcons, even on their recent games, their past games, they are lacking in terms of their, reception. So that's why medyo nahihirapan. But still, nagbibigay sila ng magandang laban. But on that sequence,
that's a good dive for Rico. Now Reyes tries to get that point. Well, nasabi mo nga kanina, still, adjusting pa rin ng USI Falcons. You're right, na medyo nahihirapan sila mag-convert ng point, but may mga spikers sila. We have Mira, we have Reyes, and also LaGuardia, but how they maximize the point or convert the point, medyo talaga nagsa-struggle pa.
Napakagandang service ace, that float serve coming from the Falcons. Still on the deck to serve, jersey number 1. Good receive there in the middle. Gandang hulog. Galing kay Llamas. A combination quick actually, pero hindi masyadong mataas yung bola kaya nagawa ng paraan. But now serving jersey number 9. A short serve. A little hustle there, pero hindi pumasok yung bola. Puntos for the CBSUA.
Well, still the poor reception of USI Falcons. Castañares to serve. On the opposite, Torrenas had to adjust. That's free ball again. Mira tries, no good. Now sets it up to the open. A good pickup by Mira, and Reynes couldn't handle it in a point for Buffaloes.
Combination play, Mira. Good point for Jack Mira for the USI Falcons. It's 7-4. Now he's serving. Good serve by Llanes. Llamas on that spike. Oops. 4 touches.
Well, a point for Buffaloes. Llamas also playing in the opposite side. The versatility of the Buffaloes is now helping them to get away against the Falcons. 4-point lead.
Oop, a little hesitation there. Rico with the set. The open, ginawa ng paraan on that spot. But it was a crossing violation coming from De La Peña. Kaya naman puntos for the USI Falcons. Now Reynes will be serving for the Falcons. Actually, napakagandang play kanina. Low set and a very quick anticipation there, pero yung bagsak ng mismong player, pumasok yung paa. Of course, it's a crossing violation. Puntos for the Falcons. But on that sequence, good dig there by Mira. May naman LaGuardia gagawa ng paraan. Another good dig. Wow, what a spike coming from De La Peña.
And a stare down Kelly, overpowering the 2 blocks of the Falcons. A deep cross court ang pinakawalan doon ni De La Peña.
Heliran with the defense on the back. Spike on the back and defense on the back for a player. But after that, it's a service error for him. Binawi niya lang yung puntos galing sa kanyang spike, and now Capistrano will be serving on the side of Falcons. Rico, 1-2 play. Good pick up there. May naman. Ooh, a down the line hit.
No, that was a clean down the line.
Coming from Hiliran.
For Hiliran, no one is there to cover the down the line.
What a defense for the both teams right now. Long serve. Oops. A long shot as well.
Kung si Balani dito, Kelly, nahihirapang maset ng maayos long bola because of their, sank receive. Maybe that's the number one problem here for the USI Falcons.
And of course, they need a good pass to have a good set as well. But right now for the opposite, good pick up there. Now, Heliran with that spike. Once again, nagpapakilala sa side ng Buffalo. And tatawag dito ng timeout ang USI Falcons.
Well, now 6 comfortable lead for the Buffaloes. Everyone is contributing on their side, but the USI Falcons still lacking in terms of their receiving. Even the Spires cannot manufacture a point for them. They have to do something about it because the Buffaloes are trying to pull away in this first set.
Well, basically, they need to, of course, strengthen their reception since it is the first basic skills na syempre, kailangan maganda ang pasa ng bola in order for them to have a good set and to have a good play as well. Kaya, as we have seen earlier, medyo nahihirapan dito si Balane to set the ball and to give up play for their teams because of their reception. But right now, let's see, and after that timeout, if they can cut the lead of the Buffalo. Another good serve there. Now a good pass. Good set. The opposite, but it's a long hit for La Guardia.
Well, intimidated by the tall blockers of Buffalo's La Guardia. Still, finding the rhythm to score a point.
Still on the service deck. Another bad pass. Ooh! Medyo nagmadali dito si Fabay. And that goes straight down to the net. Kaya naman, good point for the CBSUA. Another good long serve. Good dug there. Oops. In the middle, miscue. Good. Nice save by Mira. Ayan, ihulog. A chance. Balane to La Guardia. Ihulog. Good dive there. Ngayon, Hiliran. Good save. And that ends the rally.
That was a good hustle for USI Falcons, but still, the speed of the Buffaloes really trying them na mabuhay pa yung bola. Ang gandang transition sana yon.
Kaliwa ang save ng bola dito sa dalawang kupunan, but still nakuha ng CBSUA ang puntos. LaGuardia with the receive. LaGuardia with the spike, and it's inside for the USI Falcons.
And with the stairs and LaGuardia, I think that's a first clean hit of LaGuardia.
Di masyadong kalakasan, pero of course the placement of the ball an effective, pero binawi dito sa service ni LaGuardia. Now serving Rico. Balane, the open. Good save there. Good pick up there. But an outside hit for the Buffalo. Heliran with that long shot. And now Balane will be serving for the USI Falcons. Rico to the opposite. Good block. Now, Balane to the opposite as well. Reynes. Good pick up there by Rico. Balane to Mira, and he breaks down the wall.
Well, Mira showing us his valuable IQ. Well, when you have a tall blocker like Hiliran, you're just gonna swipe it off his hands.
The down the line will always be open on that case. But right now, with the help of the net, of course, Spike Balyamas, combination play. Actually, kanina pa dito napapansin ko, punteriya ng CBSUA Buffalo dito si Reynes in terms of when they are serving and the USI Falcons are in their reception. Wala masyadong magandang pasa kaya nagtutulungan na dito sa side ng Falcons. But right now, that serve coming from Hiliran is an outside.
Now Fabay on the deck to serve. 7-point lead for Buffalo. A combination. A good pick up there, Mira. And a good dive by Rico, but no one is there for that second ball.
Napakagandang save galing kay Rico, but then again, no one got it. So, puntos for the Falcons. Si Bahiliran Rico. Hulog. Good save by Balane. Puntos for the CBSUA. Gandang bantay sana. Now Castañares will be serving for the Buffalo. Oops. An overreaching violation called for the Falcons and another timeout for them. No, the CBSUA Buffalo is currently showing their strength in terms of the defense, and on the side of the Falcons, they are currently still, lacking in terms of their receiving, their reception. That's why walang masyadong magandang pasa. A miscommunication as well. But let's see after this timeout if they can cut this bleed.
Well, now a comfortable lead for the Buffaloes, and still the reception of USI Falcons are lacking. Castañares to serve. Now Mira tries to get that one. Now Llamas had to adjust and straight to the net.
Good set there. Good pick up. Ayan, Balane to the opposite. Reynes, and that goes straight down to the net.
Walang approach doon sa Reynes. Just jump the ball, but that's not enough.
I think it's also, inisip niya na ibibigay muli kay La Guardia, but then din niya na-anticipate. That's why walang masyadong magandang buwelo. But on that sequence, an outside serve for the Buffalo. And right now, Reynes nasa likod. Rico. Good pick up by Balane. Reynes to La Guardia. And a strong hit. No check ball. Point for the CBSUA Buffalo. 4 na puntos na lamang ang kakailanganin dito to close this set. So they can afford now some errors, but still, hindi nila kailangan maging complacent. And on that sequence, good save there by the libero of CBSUA. Now, chance. Rico to the open. Hiliran with that spike. A good point. Wow. What a difference there coming from the libero of CBSUA.
Well, let's give some credit to the libero of CBSUA and also the ability of the Buffaloes to get the rebound and still got a point.
That's true. To make a play and to convert a point after that hassle. Talagang hindi na sayang yung save na yon. But now a chance once again for the Buffalo. Rico on the back. And it's a point. Good placement there by Hiliran Jr. Two points away to close this set for the CBSUA Buffalo. But right now on the deck to serve, jersey number 13. Another poor reception. Now Ryan is on the back. Oops, good save there. Now Rico on the back. Chance for the Falcons. Balane, a long shot.
That's gonna be a point for the Buffaloes. A good dive there for De La Peña. Really good in terms of sweeping the floor. Now set point for the Buffaloes.
Good serve. Gandang balik ng bola doon for the USI Falcons. Capistrano with that safe serve. Rico, combination. Wow. And that closed the first set for this matchup. Magbabalik po kami dito lang. So, One Media TV 48, Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we're back now here in the live action, still here at the NCF Covered Court. And after that timeout, yun nga, it's 25-14. Tinapos po ng CBSUA Buffaloes yung set na yon with, of course, 11 attacks. 11 attacks, 1 service aces, 0 block, and of course unforced error by the opponent. And they have error. Just a 7 error for them. On the other side of the USI Falcons, 14 points, 6 attacks, 1 service aces, and they have their unforced error 13 error. But right now, let's hear an update on the side of the USI Falcons. Chance, any update there?
During the huddle nga, Kelly and Aljon, the Falcons need to stay focused on their goals. Sa ngayon, kailangan nilang mag-adjust sa mga errors na nagawa nila sa first set at kailangan ma-maintain ang blockings every set. Ika nga nila, wag mag-alinlangan sa loob ng court at maging aggressive lang until the last game. That's it for now. Balik sa inyo.
So maging aggressive lang. And I hope that they will, become more aggressive in the second set because again, this is the winner takes all. So there's no tomorrow for USI Falcons because it's Monday, basically.
Yes.
And they have to
school everyone.
Yes, but they have to work on their reception in order for them to at least get the second set and prolong the match against the
Actually,
Buffaloes.
kaya naman talaga. Kaya, they need just to, maximize their reception. Of course, magandang pasa, magandang set. But right now, on the side of the Buffaloes, let's hear an update on the courtside reporter, Kyla Casulia. Kyla.
Thank you, Kelly and Aljon. We are now on the second set of this matchup. During the huddle, Coach Rex reminds the team to be consistent on what they are showing because we can all see their determination and eagerness to be in the Final Four. And after adjustment last practice, they need to execute properly their game system and plan that Coach Rex has set. Before the second set begin, I've witnessed their fighting spirit and team chemistry, and of course, each member of the team is contributing. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Have to be more consistent because they're now had an edge one set in a row. Well, sinasabi nga, consistency is the key, right, Kelly? So they have to really put so much pressure on the ball and to get the point for them to get the seat for the semi.
Well, basically, of course, CBSUA should not be complacent kasi hindi natin alam yung strategic dito ng USI Falcons. But of course, they need to be consistent para puntos lang ng puntos. But on the sequence, good save. But tumama sa bola yung save na yun galing kay Mira. Puntos for the Buffaloes. Now serving. Received by Mira to Galaguardia. Oh, no one got it! Nagkalituhan kung kukunin ba dito ni Rico yung bola or nung dalawang nag-block sa side ng Buffalo. Libreng puntos po for the USI Falcons. For reception there, service ace. Galing kay Bulansoy, kakapasok pa lang dito sa second set. Pero puntos agad.
Well, now it's a deadlock for our second set. And unforced error.
Ayan. Siyempre, binabati ko po ang ating napakahusay na photographer dito sa Bucal, si Kuya Wewel Yurin. Sa napakagandang, of course, photos. Right now, Rico on the set. Gawa ng paraan. Balane. And it's a lifting violation called for Capistrano. Dumikit talaga yung bola. I think it's just, sobrang hindi lang mabilis yung pasa sa kabila. Yan naman, it's a lifting violation. But right now, good receive. Balane, spike. Good pick up there by the libero. Rico on the back. Nice dog there. Now Fabay. Chance for the Buffaloes. Rico. And it's a check ball.
Well, that's the La Peña. A good reflexes there to get off the hands of two tall blockers.
Balane to La Guardia. Good save there. Ngayon, libero. No, oops, nagkakalituhan. Boro with a free ball. Balane to Capistrano. Ngayon.
Well, that's a good point for the Buffaloes. A good rebound of the ball. Well, a 4-point lead dito for the for our Buffaloes. Well, Kelly, what seems the problem of the USI Falcons? Nakaka-atake na sila dito. May middle attack na sila, however, still the reception, hindi naman ngayon nabibigyan ang mga wing spikers. So they have to still, I think, be more creative on the setter and the ball distribution.
Well, yeah, since wala pa rin ngang masyadong ganung kagandang pasa dito sa side ng Falcons, of course, the setter must need to make a play, even at least a broken play para at least, di ba, ma-maximize ng players, their wing spikers dito and contribute to their team. Then after that timeout, let's see, they can cut the lead. Oops, another attack error for them. Hindi masyadong pasiguro yung tawid ng bola dito ni Fabay. That's why puntos for the Buffalo. Now still serving. A service is that float serve. It seems to be an outside serve, but at the end of the line, bumagsak yung bola, puntos for the Buffaloes. Now still serving. But that is out. Medyo nalakasan doon yung palo. Yung serve na yon after that service aces. Dito naman sa Falcons, let's see if LaGuardia can chase the lead of the Buffalo. For reception, Llamas. Ngayon, De La Peña itatawid. LaGuardia receive, Balane. Set to Mira. Now pick up by Llamas. Rico. Good save by Capistrano. Balane with that 1-2 play. Rico with that set on the quick. Napakagandang set galing kay Rico. Puntos for the Buffalo. Is the middle of the Buffalo right now are functioning as well as their wingers. And that's a good down the line hit for Mira. No. It's really an advantage for them na merong block. Medyo hindi kataas ang blocker dito. That's why bibigyan nila placement sa down the line.
Well, now Rico 1-2 play and gets lucky. A little help from the net.
A lucky point for Rico.
Well, now a 6-point comfortable lead for Buffaloes.
Another, but a good ball there. Ayun, ihulog, good save, but no one's get it. Gandang bantay ni Fabay. Walang humabol, walang kumuha. Puntos for the Buffalo. A good receive. Balane, Tomira. Misset there. Balane with 1-2 play. No coverage there for the Falcons.
And a good block also to Casañares. Still, the reception of USI Falcons is the problem in this set.
And that goes long. That serve, kanina pa nga dito may service error yung CBSUA Buffalo. Now Capistrano on the deck to serve. Short serve there. On the back, De La Peña. Good pickup by LaGuardia. Mira with a hulog. Good pickup by De La Peña. Ngayon, ibibigay dito. Nice save. A chance. Balane to Mira. And a good point for Jack Mira from the US. Laurente will go in and play as a setter. Capistrano still. Another good short serve. De La Peña to Hiliran Jr.
Well, the first set for Laurente and a good point for Hiliran.
Gandang excellent set galing kay Laurente. Kakapasok pa lang. Fabi will receive. Balane to Mira in the middle. Ihulog. Good save there. Laurente to the opposite. Good pick up by LaGuardia. With a little bit of angas. But it's a point for the Buffalo.
Well, now on the deck to serve, Loriente. Mira on the middle.
Good save. Ang gaganda ng bantay dito ng CBSUA. But of course, hindi masyadong, hindi magandang kuha. But still, nandun yung bantay. Better luck next time for them. But right now, Mira. Good receive there by De La Peña. Laurente. To Liamas. A good point there for Liamas and Hiliran Jr. on the deck to serve. Now substitution for the Buffaloes. Hiliran will go out and Curativo will go inside and will be serving. Fabay with a poor reception. LaGuardia paraan. Good pick up there by De Libero. Laurente. Ooh, a spike for De La Peña.
Wow, De La Peña, another great cross court. But let's commend Laurente facing the net and setting it into the open. The ball control of Laurente is excellent.
A good serve for Curativo. Right now, LaGuardia. Ngayon, De La Peña nakuha. Laurente to De La Peña with a hulog. Good pick up there by Mira. LaGuardia once again. Good save there. And it's no good for the Buffalo. Medyo nagkabanggaan doon. Dito yung libero ng Buffalo at si Curativo. Pero napakagandang hustle doon sa side ng CBSUA at napakagandang balik din dito sa side ng Falcons. Good receive. Laurente in the middle. Good quick there.
That was Llamas now playing in the middle. And now 19-11. Still, naghahabol pa rin ang Falcons dito.
An 8-point lead for the Buffaloes. Siyempre gusto po nating pasalamatan ang ating lahat ng nanonood sa ating live stream sa One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page at Oragon Sports TV. Siyempre binabati ko po ang ating mga manonood sa live stream. Of course, andyan si JV Olivan, nanonood rin si Ash Lopera, at andyan din nanonood si Aaron Liberato at Chin De La Cruz. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at patuloy po tayong tumutok dito sa live action, the game between the Falcons and the Buffalo. And we are back to the ball game after that timeout. Now survey. LaGuardia with the cross court hit. Gandang balik ng bola dito for LaGuardia. Ginawi doon with service error by Bulansoy. Now Llamas on the deck to serve. Balane. Fabay. Good pick up by Llamas. Laurente to De La Peña, but it's an outside hit. De La Peña is calling for a check ball, asking for a check ball, pero wala. No call there by the referee. Now LaGuardia on the survey. Laurente. Napakagandang ball control doon. Laurente ngayon, Mira with that spike. Good pick up by the libero, Laurente to De La Peña, and he breaks down the wall.
And a stare down,
stare
Kelly.
down once again for De La Peña.
Challenging the double block of the Falcons.
Kakaangasan na dito. And now he will be serving for the Buffalo. A poor reception there. Good save. Now, chance for the Falcons. Received by La Guardia. Tumira. Good pick up there by the libero. Balani to the opposite. Fabi gagawa ng paraan. But it's a point for the Falcons after that net touch violation for Fabi.
Now De La Peña on the deck to serve. Fabay had to adjust. Good pick up by Llamas. De La Peña at the pipe. As he dug up. Balani to Mira. And Mira targeting the end line.
Laurente. Curativo. No good wrist action there. Kaya out yung bola.
Now 3 points away to get this second set.
And he saw that donut hold there. An effective one. Actually, he adjusted on that set. Akala niya mag-net touch siya, but still a good point for him. Now serving. Capistrano with a pick up. La Guardia. Ngayon, Laurente in the middle. Good pick up there by Fabay. Mira. By Curativo. Now a chance. Laurente. To Curativo. But goes straight down to the net. Hindi na ito doon yung bola. 2 points away to close this set for the Buffalo. They can still afford an error right here. And the Falcons need to chase, but after that service error by Capistrano, it's a set point for the Buffalo. Now Laurente. Balane. Tubulan. Check ball.
Tubulansoy getting that point, still hanging on the second set.
He plays as an open spiker on that sequence. But dito naman on the middle, good pick up. Good save. Donut hole there. And that ends our second set. Is 25-17. Magbabalik po kami dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Well, back on the hard court. 2-set lead na dito ang ating Buffaloes, and the USI Falcons still getting on that rope and still hanging on this winner-takes-all match. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the Buffaloes, let's check in to Kyla. Kyla.
Thank you, Aljon and Kelly. The momentum continues on the side of the Buffaloes dahil nakuha pa rin nga nila ang second set. Kitang-kita nga na maganda ang kanilang pinapakita. Hindi lamang sila lamang sa score, pero pati na rin sa energy na pinapakita nila inside the court. This time, we can see how communication and team effort that they build is working. And for the third set, Coach Rex reminds the team to always be consistent because we all know that consistency is the key for them to have the victorious win today and advance to the semi-final round. And muna for now, back to the panel.
Thank you, Kyla, for that update. Well, basically, it's true that consistency is the key, as you have mentioned nga earlier, Aljon. And of course, they got the first and second set, and on this last set for them, of course, they don't need to be complacent para makuha na ang spot for the semi-finals. That's why they need to work hard on it. But right now, on the side of the Falcon, let's hear an update on Chen. Chen, any update?
Second set is really something dahil makikita natin na ang kabilang kupunan ay talagang determinadong manalo, Kelly and Aljon. Kaya naman the Falcons' dedication is still on their spirit to finish this game strong. Sa ngayon, kailangan nila makontrol ang tempo ng laro at maging consistent sa depensa. Makakahabol kaya ang USI Falcons o masusungkit na ng Buffaloes ang panalo. Yan ang dapat nating abangan. Kaya naman manatiling nakatutok only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thanks, Chen. So dito naman the dedication of the Falcons is a need for them to keep on hanging on this winner-takes-all. Well, as Mira tries to get a point and a great dive by the libero, rejected by Capistrano. The ball is rolling, and that's gonna be a 2 touches.
In that sequence, it's an out ball sana for CBSUA, pero kinuha dito ni Mira, but the error, the violation for Balane, but right now he'll be setting to La Guardia, and a long shot there, and a spike coming from Hiliran Jr.
Well, now Rico on the deck to serve.
LaGuardia with the receive, Balane in the middle. A clean point there for Capistrano on this third set. Tuwang-tuwa ang kanyang mga teammates after that point for him. Nagulapenyo the receive, Rico. Ay, hindi masyadong nagawan dito ng paraan. Rico to the opposite, Hiliran Jr. Good save. Ngayon, chance. Rico. And a cross-court hit for their team captain, Velasco. After that sequence, and now Hiliran Jr. will be serving for the Buffalo.
Now still Hiliran on the deck to serve, a jump serve, and that sails outside.
And now Capistrano will be serving on the side of Falcons. Palitan lamang dito ng service error for the both of the team right now. Castañares will be serving for the Buffalo. Rico to Velasco, but an outside hit for Velasco. Puntos for the USI Falcons. Now Jack Mira will be serving on the side of the USI Falcons. Another service error. Palitan lamang dito ng error ang dalawang kupunan. And now the team captain for the Buffalo, Velasco, will be serving. The jump serve. Good pick up there. No sets. LaGuardia with the free ball. Rico in the middle. Good. Quick by Llamas.
Well, that's a good, clean, quick set and attack for Llamas. Now playing naman siya in a middle attacker. The versatility of Llamas really showcasing in this third set. Well, now 4-point comfortable lead for Buffaloes.
Another jump serve. Another poor reception. Good save. Now, a chance. Rico to De La Peña with a stare down. Point for the Buffalo. Kanina pa dito pumupuntos. Gumagawa si De La Peña for the CBSUA, and still on the service deck, it's Velasco. Another jump serve. Good pick up there. Ngayon, LaGuardia. And stare down as well for LaGuardia after that placement hit coming from him.
Well, that's a triple block, and still she got the point.
Ayan, another service error on the side of the Falcons rather. And now De La Peña will be serving. Mira will get. Balanod 1-2 play. To pick up there, Rico with a... But tatawagan dito ng lifting violation after that set.
Medyo mababa doon ang first ball ng Buffaloes.
But you know, I love as well on how he was able to set up the ball for his players and make a decoy as well. Siyempre, tatalon pero hindi niya muna isa-set. And after that, talon set niya sa middle.
Sumabay doon yung middle blocker na si Capistrano sa set ni Rico, and still left alone si Llamas, and then get the clean, quick hit. Now LaGuardia tries to manufacture a point on transition, and still Buffaloes on fire, and at 6-point comfortable lead for Buffaloes. Kelly, what seems the problem here now naman dito sa third set on the side of the Falcons?
Well, no changes. It's still the reception error given by the Falcons, as well as their errors in terms of serving. The unforced errors given by them. Syempre, it's it's a free point for their opponent. Syempre, I think they need to minimize that errors and have a good pass to the center. Kasi actually, they have spikers Nakagawa naman ng paraan, naililihis, good placement, but still, kailangan nila yung good pass on their reception to make a play and to convert a good point as well. And now we're back on the ball game after that timeout, and Llamas on the Buffaloes will be serving. Mira with a no pick up. Okay, right now, De La Peña with a good... Oops, a miscue there. Good save by Rico. Hiliran with a free. Balane to LaGuardia, but a strong hit. Medyo malayo sa net yung set na yon.
Actually, there's no risk action on that attack coming from LaGuardia. I think that the intention was just to get the check from the hands of the blockers. So now, Llamas still serving.
LaGuardia, bantay sarado dito. Balani muli kay LaGuardia. And nagawa ng paraan. Puntos for the USI Falcons. Back-to-back attack for him. After the changes on rotation. The USI Falcons need to strengthen their defense as well as their attacks and need to lessen the error, and as well as here on the side of the Buffaloes, they have the defense, they have the attacks, but of course to lessen their error kasi kanina lamang in terms of serving as well, there's an error for them, so they need to be consistent to close this matchup. But right now, LaGuardia, Rico, the open, Hiliran, and goes straight down to the net. 4 touches called by the referee. Puntos for the Falcons. LaGuardia. Oh, another service error. This is what I'm actually talking earlier, Aljon, that they need to lessen the error kasi kaya naman humabol ng Falcons dito, but of course with that, instances medyo nababaon dito sa lead ng Buffalo. At ngayon bibigay kay Mira with a block, good defense, but called violation for Mira, a net touch violation for him. Now a comfortable lead for the CBSUA Buffalo, 15-8. A good serve. Balana in the middle. Capistrano, a high one. Rico to Velasco. Good block by Capistrano. Now, Mira, and he breaks down the ball. And a stare down after that spike. Goes straight to on the hand of Velasco.
Well, that's a good point for Mira. Trying to really using the hands of the blockers to get a point. Now, babawi dito. Hiliran. A powerful attack coming from him. Now, Hiliran. On the direct to serve. On the opposite, too tight. Now, Rico. Passes to Velasco. And touch the net ang matatawag dito sa Falcons.
And ngayon, substitution for the Buffalo. Sumayo will go in. And jersey number 9, Castañares, will go out. And now, serving. Jump serve. Safe serve, good pick up there. Ngayon, to Mira on the opposite. And it's a point for Jack Mira. Mira with a safe serve. Float serve. Rico to the middle. A point for Sumayaw. Now he will be serving. Good save there. Now Balane to LaGuardia, another long hit.
Nalunod doon si LaGuardia sa set na yon. Well, now 9 points dito ang lamang ng Buffaloes. And that's straight to the net. Salvador will check in. And De La Peña will out.
Aljan on the side of the Buffaloes. Maraming players dito, their second stringers can contribute on this game as well. Pero the disadvantage here for the USI Falcons, walang masyadong papalit na players. They are just consisting on, 8 players or 9 players as of the moment. Kaya their second stringers walang masyadong, kaya medyo babad dito yung players ng Falcons. They have 8 players on the side of them.
Well, 9. Well, now 5 points away and getting the win for the Buffaloes. La Guardia overpowering Rico and Boris Block.
And with that, angas, with that stare down for La Guardia. Jump serve, but it's an out. Now, 21-12. Salvador will be serving for the Buffalo. A good safe serve. Balane to Bulansoy. Good pickup by Salvador. Rico in the middle. Good save there by Balane. Bulansoy with that strong hit.
Well, that's gonna be a no direction attack. Medyo nanggigil ata doon.
Medyo nagmamadali dito si Bulansoy with that sequence. Kaya naman hindi masyadong maganda yung kinalabasan, puntos for the Buffaloes. Now Salvador with that serve. Balane to La Guardia on the opposite now. Pick up by Salvador. Rico to Heliran. Good save by Reynes. To La Guardia once again. Now Salvador, Rico, another good decoy there, but a good save. Not yet done. Rico with 1-2 play. Save by Pabay. And that goes straight down to the net for La Guardia.
Well, face to face with the block of Bori, stopping La Guardia to get a point. Now 23-12. The Buffaloes are getting closer in the first ever spot for the semis.
What a good run for them. A newbie here in Bucal.
That's true.
And 2 points away to get their spot on the semifinals on the men's division.
Well, up next, we have the UNC Greyhounds against the Ateneo Knights. Well, the veteran University of Nueva Cáceres and the challenger the Ateneo wanting to have the first ever semi-seat.
Kung siswertehin dito, kung tatapusin na ng Buffalo, they will be the only new team here sa Bucal na makakapasok sa semifinals after the loss of Pasakaw Academy and the ACLC last day. But now, Balane, no good there. Now, a match point for the CBSUA Buffalo. At nasa kamay po ni Salvador ang huling alas para sa last spot for this semifinals. Now Salvador. Reynes with the receive. Balane. Hindi pa tapos ang laban.
One
Bulansoy.
match point save carry dito ang Falcons.
Now the open spiker of Yes, I will be serving. Heliran will go out and Curativo will go inside. Now serving for still the match point for Buffalo. Okay, Curativo with the last point. And it's a good block by Bulansoy and Mira.
Another match point save for the Falcons, but 1 point away for the Buffaloes. A quick still.
Another match point save. for the Falcons. And that ends the game on the last pack, CBSUA and this matchup. At makilala po natin ang best player of the game sa pagbabalik ng Bucal Season 5 Men's and Women's Volleyball sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
Best player of the game is brought to you by Lemon Mitchup. Top quality guaranteed simply the best in Bicolandia. At dugong Buffaloes nga ang nangibabaw for this game and they are bound to the semi-final round. Our best player of the game is jersey number 7 with 11 attacks, 1 service ace, and 12 points. He is none other than Alan Hiliran Jr. Hello Alan, how does it feel na pasok na kayo sa top 4 at maglalaro kayo for the semi-final round?
Ano po, sobrang happy na po kasi po ito yung pangarap namin na makapasok ngayon sa semi po. Yun po.
At dahil nakita ko kung gaano mo ginalingan, ano-ano ba yung ginawa mo na nakatulong sa'yo for this game dahil alam natin na magbigat din yung kalaban niyo for today?
Yun lang po, maging ano po, tiwala sa sadiri tapos sa kapwa team, sa mga sakada saro po. Yun.
In terms of reminders, ano naman yung reminders si Coach Rex na tumatak sa'yo na nakatulong din sa'yo for this game?
Ano lang po, dapat maging active sa bawat laro tapos maging maging happy lang po, happy lang po.
At ano pa ba ang aabangan namin kihiliran at sa buong CBSUA Buffalo sa mga susunod niyong laban?
My goal is makapasok po kami sa for championship po.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa aming sport director, Sir Saluna, and sa aming kay Sir Alvin, kay Sir Pong, and sa aming coach na si Sir Labay, and sa aking team, and sa aking family Hiliran, sa aking barkada, Iski Fam, thank you po, and thank you kay God.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it from the CBSUA Buffaloes, Alan Hiliran Jr. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulio. Balik sa inyo, Aljon and Kelly.
Huge win for the CBSUA Buffaloes and a huge win also to their university. Kelly, can you give us the stats of our best player?
Of course, congratulations to the CBSUA Buffaloes on the spot for the semifinals next week. And congratulations to Alan Hiliran Jr. as the best player of the game with 11 attacks and 1 service aces. At ayun nga, next week, gandang bakbaka naman ng iba't ibang kupunan sa semifinals ang ating aabangan. Muli, ako po si Kelly Francisco.
And tune in for more. And up next, we have the last spot ang paglalabanan dito ng UNC against the Ateneo. This has been Aljon.
And manatili po tayong tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.